Story / Born Again Hooligan, Youth Next Unicorn Pop Culture Scientist. We're back for yet another atomic bombing explosion episode of Straight Up and Down. As you know, Baba, we locked down, but now it's Pumile, Kusuku level 2, and now we have my homies. Introduce yourself, young man.
Yeah, I already know, man. It's the evolution of the higher God emerging through the flesh of Lord Number, and then we're out here. Select you, baby, straight up and down. Back at it again. What's going on?
Oh yes, ukumkani uqonda, ukumkani wonke amabhele. Yeah, we're back at it. Siku level 2, i-gatherings isivulekile. Ngoku now we gathered here, niggas.
Hey, yo, guys, before we go any further, we have to kick the show with our mathematics of the day. God, give us today's mathematics.
Today's mathematics is 2-9. That's 2 plus 9 equals to 11. So it's wisdom born, all being born to knowledge, all being born to wisdom. Peace to the gods.
Peace to the gods. Yeah, man, we're approaching spring very soon, so we got new things coming up. I like to know what was the street saying, Vegas Sugakoye, because I want to kick it off first.
Slash,
right?
I hate ukhaula. I hate to use ikhali. But we are away for quite a while.
Right?
Yeah, but we're only low way. Someone sold out.
Who did?
We lost someone.
Who did?
Someone fell on the other side.
Which side?
Only low basing echo. Ukumganu Tonda got married. The streets.
Actually, it did not fall. Or it did not sell out. Yo, welcome, homie. Welcome, homie. Welcome.
Whatever.
Yeah, hate le nigga.
Congratulations.
Yeah, hate le.
Let him hang.
Yeah, unahlala kwela cala ngapha on the left hand side kuhlala abantu abasingle kade ngapha.
Hi, man. So he's off the streets.
Off the market.
Gentlemen, he's off the streets. right about now, he's committed himself into one specific lover. My nigga, I've been knowing you for quite a while. Happy about you.
I'm sure.
I hate to box about you into categories, so whatever. I respect.
I'm sure all the young men, they are crying.
This is a sad day for all young
sitting
men
in a corner out there.
You could have easily shot your shot. But now it's too late for you. It's gone.
Inbox is valiwe.
Young men, stop doing that.
Yeah.
Gunda is out of here. Dog.
Out of the market. Out of the market.
Happy for you, bro. Many years of success.
Hey, yo, straight up and down we here, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go straight into it. Word on the street. My word on the street is Tshepo Mhlongo. Tshepo Mhlongo, it's a member of EDA, right?
Okay.
So Parliament was having a virtual meeting. What happened is that, most you know, during this time, there's that thing of a social distancing. Those people in Parliament, even though they want kids to go back to school, but they are not going back to Parliament. So they're still at home. They're doing the Zoom meetings. So now they were having a Zoom meeting, parliamentary gathering. And now what happened is that while you see us on the screen, they usually have books at
sure.
Yeah,
we set a crane.
Yeah, and I think the camera in phone and it showed that the nigga was at a local liquor store pushing a trolley while he was on a virtual meeting.
Hold on, let me get this straight.
Aye.
Just to clarify confusion, a potential confusion of the situation. From AB Political Part.
Yeah.
Okay, for white people, his name is Chipo.
Chipo Mhongo. Chipo Mhongo. So Chipo Mhongo was caught on camera while at a meeting in Parliament. It's busy, basically. I think he was rushing for Thursday.
Let's go.
Because Thursday they cut off Moses' alcohol.
Let's go, Chip.
Yo, so that's my word on the street. What is your word on the street?
No, what do you know after that?
I don't know what he say.
Siyakubona. Siyakubona. Hey, Mhlongo, siyakubona.
Yabo abantu abangabaXhosa abathembu omalume bethu Yeah, abantu from isizwe somalume baqumbile because of how a king got dealt that way with imedia.
Yeah.
Imedia ukumkani udalenjeni. Azweli banzi.
Zweli banzi.
Kumkani udalenjebo abeveziwe xa bekusemngcwabeni, so he was giving out a speech and on the speech uthi bana akayifuni into yophathwa ngupresident nelenduka ne-premiers, ufuna uziphatha ngokwakhe. Yabo indlela upresident ulenduka kumkani udalenjebo avezwe ngayo emedia, abantu are not happy because bathatha only i-sound bite ezawukwenza abantu ezawutrenda ithini. But kufumaniseke bana eyona nto beyithethe bingeyoba akafuna uphathwa, but uthi according to iBible, because he's a Christian, then iBible insists on umntu akwazi uziphatha yena so that umntu ophetheyo azokwazi umphatha. If awukwazi uziphatha wena uzokwazi uphatheka. So he was urging i-constituency yakhe to be able for umntu aziphathe kakuhle so that yena xa efika, but imedia ithathe loo nto leyo yabangela as if ungumntu ongafuna uphathwa.
Ibaba bengokupha emtshatweni iyo emngcwabeni enkukho befundisi bezothi baba abantu bela inkokheli ze-ANC intoni umsulo kaSathane. But since ephayana
wabina wayicacisa even leyo.
But because ephayana akakwazi uthetha leyo. Shout out to Dalindyebo.
So kumkani, like we need to send out a message, a clear and a strong to abantu bemedia. To stop misconstruing, to deliberately misconstruing inothethwa ngabantu to fit narrative.
Right into it, the first topic. Malky D, aka Lord Nombande, aka umfana onxibe ushoti waveza ithanga. Let's
know,
go,
man.
let's go, young man. What are we talking about today? Pump shot.
Eyona nto sifuna uthetha ngayo namhlanje yabona is the whole issue of expropriation of culture yase-Africa.
Okay.
Because of late we've been seeing a lot of abantu by international. But it's not like sandukwenzeka. This has been happening for quite a while, but now it has been brought into a mainstream with the artists as Fala No, Beyonce Knowles, Sean Puffy Combs, going into Africa and harvesting indawo engekho tapped lawo bafuna uzenza relevant into a mainstream. Abantu abaninzi they have a problem for umntu onjengo Beyonce kuthiwe it's very hard for certain people to swallow i-reality yobana abantu abanjengo Beyonce and Puffy Combs ba appropriate culture yase-Africa because of Beyonce, like her latest album yabo ine themes ezistrong zase-Africa. So sizama uchekisha lo way bana lately ngaba aba bantu bazama appropriate i-culture yase-Africa okanye kwenzeka no.
Ayiqali kwenzeka lewe. It's been happening. Like we saw this happening ku Marvel pictures like go Landuka, go Black Panther. You know, he came through with some Wakanda, what, you know. You know, ufika kwabo bayithatha but okay, no, sifuna ubooster Africa, but ufumaniseka ba abantu that were actually involved with that project zaba compensate ngendlela right yabo, because la film made billions kulana we-box office la yabo. I think it was 2 weeks or whatever, but the end it's the highest selling Marvel since Ulanduka, even Infinity Wars uzange ayenze more than Ulanduka Black Panther yabo. So I think now bangabantu abalanduka ababone imarket baqonda okay, no, sizo harvest le market because ayibona abantu bayo bahleli nje bayibukele bayenza yabona. It's sort of like uzodindoni new age colonial stuff lawe ubone lawe ba colonizer ba colonizer behlele ezindlini zabo ngoku via internet and what lawe ubone.
But now I feel different in a sense that these people that we have in question, those are black people. Puffy is black. Beyonce is black. And Beyonce, I think since Lemonade has been pushing la pro-black. Jay-Z has been pushing pro-black. Even in Askazabo, they did in those ancestry, but where they come from, and they even talked about it as the album, yeah, about everything is love, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So I think that's a good thing in the sense that Africa, it's behind because it was called Ilanski Third World. It was labeled as a third world, and Ilanski America is the first world. Taking taking from a state, coming here, giving exposure and giving out izinto as no royalty. Because if you look at this thing was done through Disney, right? If I'm not mistaken. If you look at it, if my memory serves me correct, like we've always been seen as a band that are starving. There's elephants, leopards walking around the road, like we're roaming around the road. But now, if you look at la musical movie, I don't know what to call it. We are seen as a royalty, artistry to yabo, artistry to imagery to la way it's been amplified now, because now Africa, you have to bear in mind that Africa is a continent and not just a Nigeria and a South Africa. There's different continent countries within Africa that were given exposure, giving it a platform, because we saw abantu abafana no Bosisi, we abantu abafana no Moonchild that were on the forefront, walk yakhe Beyonce kunye nabo la way that were taking lead, showing Ilanzuka paying homage up to South Africans, giving them a lead that they belong here, not just apa what had called, then went back, she came here, gave Ilanzuka the late Mama Mhlongo, Mama Somiz, and everyone is being credited, credits la way. So I don't feel as if they are appropriating a culture, because this is their culture as well.
I feel like it's very important for abantu abamnyama abahlala kwi-first world babeke to shine a spotlight into what is going on in Africa, to unearth a talent that could potentially go unnoticed by international market. Yeah, but basebenzisa i-clout yabo ushine lo way. It's very wrong for abantu i-has-beens, abantu ababona baba abasekho relevant anymore, to go away Africa and find the relevance yabo without giving back into Africa. Yeah, bo.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's take a breather. And if you're a beehive out there, please come at Marquis' neck for saying that Beyonce is a has-been. You got my permission. Go in. We're back.